Welcome to the world of creative video editing with Pictory and ChatGPT. Let's create an awesome explainer video together. Get the perfect script. ChatGPT uses natural language processing to generate human-like text in seconds effortlessly. Simplify the process. ChatGPT provides you with catchy titles and breakdowns for each section, making it easy to form your outline. Upload your script to Pictory's script-to-video feature. Highlight keywords, and choose your style and aspect ratio. Find your voice. Pictory offers AI voiceovers in various accents or the option to record your own. Amp up the creativity. Customize your project with music, stickers and GIFs, making your video truly unique. Edit like a pro. Upload your video to Pictory's Edit Videos using text feature for automatic captioning and easy transcript creation. Use the transcript to refine your video, removing filler words and correcting any errors, giving your video that professional touch. Take your explainer videos to new heights with Pictory and ChatGPT today.